Did you know that today it was announced that Shopify actually hit 1 million Shopify store users? There's 1 million of us. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty insane. Congrats, guys. Alright, welcome everyone. My name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io, but you already knew that because you subscribed and liked this channel. Welcome back to another week where we review a Shopify app, give you a behind the scenes so that you don't have to install it, realize that the app is not really for you, uninstall it, but leave the code inside your team, slow down your team, slow down your store, miss out on revenue, end of the world situation. Okay, cool. So this week we are looking at Disco. Disco is a brand new Shopify app and it's intended for store-wide discounts and countdown timers. So that's, on a marketing perspective, pretty interesting. It only has one review at the moment of this recording, which is the first time we do such a low review app, but it was in the Shopify most viewed list. So that kind of explains why we're looking at it. Alright, so enough talking, but before we continue, make sure to check out all our other videos, and please, if you like this, make sure to like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference for us. Thank you. Let's check out Disco. Wow. The app is installed and we are on this basic dashboard. But before I continue, did you actually subscribe? Seriously, it helps. I'm gonna hold up one more second. Just subscribe. All right, cool. Thank you. This dashboard looks familiar, and I just clicked. It is the same dashboard as on Unlimited Special Offers by Pixel Union. Turtle and sunglasses. Damn. Probably they use the same template, but guys, come on. You can at least change the images. All right, let's start creating our first discount by clicking on this blue button that says create a discount. You can't miss this step since it's the only button on the dashboard. A new window appeared for campaign creation, and the first step is title. The title will also be used as the name of the collection created automatically by the app. Let's name this campaign Autumn. Is here, and click on the checkbox to create a collection. The next section is the discount. Alright, so in the discount section, the first step is to choose a discount type. Two options are available, percentage and fixed. We will go with percentage and we will write 10%. I'm not 100% sure what they mean by round to the nearest. I'm assuming if the decimal is too far off. But in case you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Alright, discount is done, and now we have product filtering. Click on filters and then select a filter. You can filter products by vendor type, collection, and product tag. And what if we want to offer discounts store-wide? Should we leave it empty? For the sake of this video, we will leave it empty. Disco allows you to set the start and the end date of your sale campaign. Just choose from these two calendars, and if you set the start and end date of your campaign, you can add a countdown timer to the product page of each discounted item to create urgency. Let's do that. Start date now and date maybe in 2 months. Now we need to include the countdown timer, so click on this checkbox here, and that's basically it. Scroll to the beginning of the page and click on create a discount. Our discount was created successfully, and now let's click on view status. Yeah, I was right. So if you want to make a store-wide discount, then just leave the filtering option empty. We are on a manage discount page for now. From here, we can see details of our campaign, basics, and also we can disable the discount. All right, that is it for this page. Let's see if something is changed on the dashboard. The manage discount page is also the dashboard. All right, great. Let's jump to the demo shop and see if the app works. It's working. Actually, it's looking pretty good. All right, that is it for this app. We are not that impressed. I mean, there is no option for customization. You can't even edit an existing campaign, and I must say the design is pretty basic. This is the new app and it costs $10 a month for this app. Well, I don't really see how that's justified, but please, let me know. Also, there aren't any analytics about your campaigns, which how do I know where my dollar value is bringing me the furthest. Having that in mind, the app is new and we definitely can see the potential on the long run. So maybe there will be an update quite soon. Alright, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please like and subscribe and check out all the other videos we have for you. It takes a ton of time and I hope you get value. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and if you need any development work done. My name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io. Give me a shout. Adios.